Back with the Walther PPQ M2 Q5 match steel frame. It almost doesn't deserve another video. It's so easy to take apart and to reassemble. Put the barrel back in. First, it goes right, obviously there, sets right in. Barrel, recoil spring. Use that small end of the recoil spring. The small end goes in first. And it sets in right, you can see right there behind that notch. It sets right in, stays by itself. And then you just guide the two rims, the two edges right there, guide right into there. You can see it goes right in. Let's see, just like that. Maybe this will work. There we go. Back on. Slide stop again. Flip your takedown lever back. Undo the slide stop and slowly let it back. And then you can fire it. You know it's good. Keep holding down. And then you can listen for the reset. And that's it. There's the basic and easy takedown with no tools required. Walther PPQ M2 Q5 match steel frame.